Hello everyone, I am Anji from Diligent Certification. If you are importing or manufacturing electrical or electronic products, you all want to know about what is UL certification. I will explain what it is, why it matters, and how to get certified. Let's get started. What is UL certification? UL certification is a mark of safety and compliance issued by UL Solution, an independent global safety science organization. When a product carries the UL mark, it ensures it meets safety, reliability, and performance standards. Why is UL certification important? Reason why UL certification is important for your business. Consumer confidence. Products with UL mark assures customer that your product are safe and tested. Retail and market access. Many retailers or importers insist on UL certified products before stocking them. Risk mitigation. Having certification lower the risk of product liability, accidents, or market blocks because of safety non-conformity. Global recognition. It helps your product to compete in international market because many standards look to UL for safety cues. Key types and marks. UL listed. This marks means that the finished product was tested and meet UL safety standards for its category. UL recognized applies to the components that are intended to be a part of larger product. They are pre-tested, but the entire system still needs evaluation. UL certified, a broader term indicating the product, component, or system has been tested by the UL standards. It is important to understand which marks applies to the type of product as confusion can lead to compliance issue. How to get UL certification? The process typically involves these steps. Identify the applicable UL standard. Determine which UL standard applies to a product or category. Submit product sample and documentation. Provide a sample of your product, technical details, manufacturing details, and materials. Testing and evaluation. The product is tested in UL accredited labs for safety hazards like fire, shock, performance under stress. Factory production audit. You may inspect your manufacturing facility to ensure consistent production matches the tested sample. Certification issue. Once approved, you will get certification. Who needs your certification? If you are a manufacturer or importer of electricals, electronic products, components used in larger systems, products targeted to be US or global market where UL is recognized, UL certification can be a key differentiator and sometimes a requirement for distribution or retail. If you need help with testing, documentation, or application, we at Diligent Certification are here to help you from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful video. Thanks for watching.